Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we're diving into a tricky problem that some developers have encountered while working with the Clipboard feature in web development. The problem revolves around the inconsistency in file pasting behavior across different browsers, specifically Firefox, Chrome, and Edge. So, let's dig into this interesting problem a bit further. In addressing the solution to the Clipboard file pasting issue, it seems that the problem lies with an old bug in Firefox. The bug causes Firefox's Clipboard data to support only pasting one file at a time, contrary to the intended behavior where multiple files should be pasted. This bug is still an open issue in Firefox, with the possibility of being resolved in future updates. To stay updated on this bug's progress, it's recommended to follow the Bugzilla link provided for more information. Now, summarizing what we've discussed today, we explored a peculiar problem concerning file pasting behavior in web browsers, with particular attention to Firefox's limitation in pasting multiple files. The solution pointed towards an existing bug in Firefox's Clipboard data functionality, causing this behavior. Remember to stay informed about any updates on this bug by following the Bugzilla link provided earlier. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any quirky tech mishaps you've encountered. See you next time.